Hi, I'm Kristen, and today we're going to make Norwegian pancakes. I'm going to show you the secret to getting the right consistency with your batter as we mix it in the bowl and in the pan. Let's get started. So we're going to start by cracking 4 eggs into a bowl. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar and whisk it into your eggs. Next, you're going to add flour. We're going to need at least a cup of all-purpose flour. And I like to add a little bit at a time. It's going to look kind of funny. We'll keep adding until it gets nice and thick. I really want to get these a little bit thicker, so I'm going to add a little more. I just added about 1/4 cup. See how it's thickening up? You really want to go based on the thickness and how it looks and feels, more so than the exact measurements. I'm going to say a little bit thicker. Now these are nice and thick, so it's time to thin it out with some milk. I'm going to add about 1 cup of milk to start. And whisk that in. We'll want the batter to be pretty liquidy. And that's looking pretty good. Once we make them, we might add a little bit of milk depending on how the pancakes are looking. I want to add just kind of a pinch of salt, which is a great way to add some flavor to these. And now we're ready to start making pancakes. We have the batter made, and I've been heating up this pan, so we're gonna get a little butter, maybe about 1/2 tablespoon or so. And then we want enough batter in the pan so that it stretches to the edge. You can kind of tilt it around a little bit to even it out. I've got the heat on about medium-high. And then once this is cooking up pretty well, I'm gonna go around the edges and get ready to flip it. So it's gonna be ready pretty soon. Kind of moving the batter so it evens out a bit. Now I'm going to flip this over. Okay. And let that cook for a few seconds. And then we're going to fold it like that. Fold it again. And now we have a pancake. We are almost done. We've got enough for 1 big pancake or 1 regular pancake and a baby pancake, but let's do 1 big one. take a little bit longer to cook.